All right, as you get older, things get harder to actually lift. So I was looking into the internet and finding out that there's actually something to help y'all lift just a little bit. Now, this thing says that it could lift a little bit over 400 pounds, and the things I'm gonna move are a little bit over 300 pounds. So we're gonna test them out, and I want to see how well it works. So I'm not sure if I could go all the way to the bottom. Let me see. Oh yeah, I can. So I could slip this in, and then all you got to do is lift. It's like a car jack, pretty much, you know. But I'm a little hesitant because it says it could lift a little bit over 400 pounds. And this planner's been here for quite a while, and it's actually in the way. I'm gonna see if I could lift this up, and this is super heavy. Lifting it, and look at that. I could slip something in there. That's not bad, actually. Let me take the camera down. Wow, I could slip something in there to move this whole planner, and that's what I'm planning to do. So we're not just gonna move this planner here, we're also moving this too. I'm gonna lift the corner up. This is about 350 pounds when it came in the box, right? So here's the little cart that we're gonna slip in here. But for now, I'm gonna put a piece of brick in there. All right, we finally got it moving. I made an actual place to slide it in there. Look at that. I'm very surprised that these things can lift a lot of weight. I'm able to move the planner. This thing's a little bit over 200 pounds. So, all right, so it's time to move the stuff. I took everything out of it. It took me all day to take everything out. So we're gonna move this and this, but first we're gonna slide in some wood. This is an Egyptian way of doing things. So the pyramids were built the same way, where they put friction on the bottom, make it easier to move the whole frame together. And the tool, the lift, what they didn't have this, but they had the actual easel way of doing things. Something heavy, lifting manpower, elephants, or so on forth, sliding things in, sliding the whole brick out. And it took hundreds of people to do stuff like that, and this only takes one person. So this is like a whole brick lighter than one of those bricks, all right, than one of those stones. But it's just me doing the whole job, and I'm gonna end up doing it tonight. From a 5-man job to a 1-man job, I'm always halfway there, and I am very impressed how simple this thing is helping me out. I'm not gonna, they're not sponsoring or anything like that. I just bought it because I needed some help, and I'm doing this by myself. So very impressed with it. Whew, it took a while, but look at that, we did it. All right, so we moved it where the bricks are all the way over here with the wood. Those things were, you know, very, very helpful. I wouldn't be able to do it without those, to be honest with you. So we got this whole thing over 300 pounds. These things at ease. So if you're looking for something like I just did right now, I'm moving these planters too. I'm moving everything at ease without hurting myself. As we get older, we get less stronger, and I don't have anybody, unfortunately, to help me out. Only my kids that are younger. So end up doing this with moving it with this. Very simple, very easy. I hope you guys enjoy the video.